Hi, welcome to Wisdom Mira online classes. Today we will discuss about the very important chapter in the history, our Karnataka. Our Karnataka is very famous for different kinds of district. The name very first one is Chitradurga. Chitradurga, it is very foremost district of Karnataka and it is famous for Madakari Nayaka rule. And Palegars, they ruled Chitradurga systematically and they implemented several policies. Like, I will give you small information about Chitradurga in this class. Chitradurga is a famous fort. It's gigantic 7-ringed fort. Inside the fort there are ponds and temples. Taluks of Chitradurga are Chitradurga, Hiriyuru, Chalkere, Osdurga, Odalkere and Malkalmuru. This district is known for its Palegars. Madakari Nayaka was a famous Palegara. Onake Obava is another well-known historical person. And she had sacrificed her life towards different kinds of administrative activities. So that's why once upon a time Chitradurga came out from the many problems. Next district is Davangere. Davangere district was formed by dividing Chitradurga in 1997. A few parts of Shivamogga and Harapanalli of Ballari district were added to the newly formed district of Davangere. It has 6 taluks like Harihara, Harapanalli, Channagiri, Honnali, Jagaluru and Davangere. Davangere was known as the Manchester of Karnataka during 1960. It was famous for its textile production, but due to lack of raw cotton, the mills have been shut down. There are many sugar factories operating, and the many sugar factories, they work out themselves the production of different kinds of sugar activities. So Davangere, now it is called as the foremost city, and it's very important, necessary productions are possible in Davangere. So that's why it's very important for the different kinds of commercial activities. And another one more information is hundreds of food processing units are working in this district. It has also made name as the important education center of the state. The well-known Bapuji Education Institution is here. The biggest lake in South India, Shanti Sagar, is in Channagiri. It is called as Sulekere. It has a circumference of 64 kilometers. The Harihareshwara temple from the Vaisala period is found in Harihara. So this is a short information about Davangere, and now at the present days Davanagerians, they are very proud because of that is added for the several activities, and the government has taken that district for improving itself. So what you are seeing, dear students, this is Shanti Sagara. Shanti Sagara, it's very famous, and another one is Shivamogga district. You know very well about Shivamogga district. The Shivamogga district, what you are seeing this fall, it is called as Jog Falls. The Jog Falls, it is the attraction center of Shivamogga. What you are seeing, another one is Kuvempu home at Kuppalli, the famous Kannada poet. So it is also the very important spot. So let us know about the small information about this. This is one of the famous districts of Karnataka. It is well known for its scientific beauty and scenic beauty as well. There are 6 taluks like Tirthahalli, Sagara, Soraba, Bhadravati, Shivamogga, Shikaripura and Hosanagara. It is called the rice granary of Karnataka because the production of excess of rice. Tungabhadra, Sharavati, Varada, Kumadwati rivers flow in this region. You must visit everyone because very important, very beautiful sites are possible here. Shankaraghatta is home at Shankaraghatta is the home to Kuvempu University. Kuppalli, the birthplace of Kuvempu, is in Tirthahalli Taluk. It is now growing as a tourist center. Bhadravati is growing as an industrial hub. The Sharavati hydroelectric project and Varahi hydroelectric project provide the most of the electricity needs of the state. So that's why Shivamogga is the very important centric place for tourism. So that's why tourism sector, those people, they are benefiting much because of the very important, very beautiful sites are possible in Shivamogga. So, and another foremost one is The Shimoga district, it is facing the many kinds of facilities, like it is said Shimoga was found by Keladi rulers. There is an archaeological museum at Keladi. It is said the name Shimoga is due to face resembling Lord Shiva. Jog Falls, the highest waterfall in Asia, is in Gersoppa. There is a bird sanctuary in Gudavi, Soraba Taluk. Badra Wildlife Sanctuary is well known. Agumbe of Tirthahalli Taluk receives highest rain. And Kuempu and Dr. U.R. Ananthamurthy, what you are in the recipients of Gnanapita Award, they are from Tirthahalli Taluk of the district. It is proud for all Kannadigas. National award winning singer Shumaga Subbanna is from this district. So that's why it is a wonderful place of literature. It is a wonderful place of beautiful scenarios. It is a wonderful place of different kinds of spots. So let us, in next class we will discuss remaining points. Thank you one and all.